So in this video we're going to talk about explode and the pivot. So let's say if our data is something like this, which we have seen in the previous video also. Struct or struct field, struct of a struct, okay, of array type, and previously we don't have the array type, but we have the data of the string type. Okay, we have the data of the struct type, not the array type. So if the data is of the array type, okay, so what we can do is we can explode it and pivot it. Okay, so data is something looks like this percentage. Okay, so this is the data of array type, same way. Okay, C07. Earlier also we were seeing the same structure, key value in the double quotes, separated with the delimiter with the colon. Okay, let me paste the data here because data was same. Okay, data was same, but it was not the struct type. It was not the array type, but the struct type. So if I do it here, you can see that we have colon, okay, but we don't have the brackets. Why? Because this is the struct type only, not the array type. Okay, so let me remove that, and you can see that this array would contain two fields. Okay, course ID C07, C06. Okay, and let me create a Parquet format. Okay, so data is there. Now you will I'm going to create a table enrollment. If I do this select star from enrollment, I will see the student ID. Along with that, I have course ID. Okay, courses in the array format. So if it is in the array format, I can explode that and create a new row for each of the course ID, as you can see it here. Okay, in the JSON format only right now. And if I want to do collect set, okay, of the course ID and then role ID, so this way I will going to do that using the collect set. And so because this is not flatten, okay, I can use the flatten keyword and flat that. Okay, yes, so I think this is sufficient. Okay, so other way is, if I want to calculate the course ID in this way, I can use courses.course ID, which we have seen previously. Courses.subtotal also has subtotal, but I need to add this line as course lateral view explode courses. Okay, and this way I can do the pivot also. Pivot need the aggregated function for the course ID in. Okay, all this course ID, it will calculate the subtotal. So this way I'll have all the data, okay, using the course ID and everything. So if I won't do that, okay, this won't give me the result. It will say enrollment does not exist. Okay, I think I need to run this, create table course, or maybe this one as well. Yeah, the table is not there. Okay, let me create the table first. Okay, the enrollment data is already stored. Now I'll create an enrollment table. Okay, and if I do select star from enrollment, yeah, so enrollment table is created. And if I do the explode, if I do the collect set, okay, all are working. This is the flatten. Okay, so this is enrollment and table which got created. Course table, let me create the course table as well. Okay, it's saying already exist. Okay, yeah, already exist. Now what I'll do is, okay, so let me, if I remove this lateral view, so it says a column function when parameter course or course cannot be determined one of the following. Okay, so it's not able to find the course. Okay, so that's why I'm exploding the, let me, if I, what will happen if I remove the explode. Okay, so first this line will going to execute exploding the courses, and then with that one we can use the course or course ID and the subtotals. Okay, and pivot is nothing but we need the aggregated function. Okay, and we're going to aggregate that. Okay, in the next video we're going to talk about the higher order functions, filter and the transformation.